Hello friends, welcome to Office Platform. Santosh this side. This is in continuation to my previous video on lambda functions, where we have created our own customized functions for date and time and other things. Today we will see how we can create our own customized function like yesterday and tomorrow. So if I write is equal to yesterday, I don't get any information. Same like for tomorrow. Nothing. Let's try creating a lambda for it and see if we get a date or not. So our function will be lambda today. So today will be the main center where we will show if tomorrow state is today's state plus 1 and yesterday's state will be today's state minus 1. So if we are creating tomorrow, then it will be today plus 1. Enter. Then when you copy this function, control F3, new. I will write my tomorrow. Then I will create a new one. My yesterday. And instead of plus, I will put minus. Okay. Oh. Let us write my tomorrow. Let's see if the date comes and convert it to a date. Perfect. Today is 29th of November, 24th of November, and tomorrow will be 25th of my bad, it is 24th of September and tomorrow will be 25th of September. Same will be for yesterday. My yesterday close and close it, change it to the date. It will be 23rd of September and put it today. So this is we defined it. So this is how we can create our own customized functions with the use of lambda. Thank you.